Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and today I am here to discuss a very important thing for beginners. I know there are students who get perplexed when it comes to IELTS preparation. They do not know anything related to this. So in this session I am going to discuss timetable for beginners. How can they achieve their desired band score? So just watch the video until the end, and if you like it, consider subscribing to our channel and do share it with the friends who are in need. So guys, what is the timetable sort of thing? Is it beneficial? I would say yes it is, because last year I uploaded one video and I have received wonderful comments on a particular video. So I would say you should follow a timetable, you should stick to it. But there is no point you are preparing the timetable on day one. You should have a target on day one. So here's our first point. Set a target, set a goal. You should aspire for something. So I aspire to do this, I aspire to get overall 8.5, I aspire to get overall 9. So that should be there in your mind. You should set a goal firstly. Let's say you are an academic student and your goal is 6.5. So set a goal of 7. You should have this goal that you get basically 7.5 in reading and listening, and in writing and speaking you are getting only 6.5 or even 6. But your goal should be clear. If it's there in your mind throughout, you'll never face any problem. And for that, in order to remind you your desired band score, I would suggest you all to paste a chart paper on the wall, or where you study. You'll have a study table. I would suggest you to study on study table only. So take help from of the table and place a chart paper and write your desired band score over there. It is going to help you immensely and you will see drastic improvement in your scores daily, on a daily basis. Okay, so now we have already set our schedule. We know our goal is this. We are going to proceed further with the first week. So initially for first 2 weeks you are going to focus only on reading and listening module. But how are you going to start it? This is day one. Okay, let's say today is day one and it's the first week. So you're going to focus on reading module along with speaking. You must be thinking, she just said reading and listening, but why speaking? So try to understand. In the initial week we are just focusing on reading module. We are going to focus on every single strategy associated with reading module. What exactly do we need to do in order to attempt a particular question type? Is vocabulary important? How important is vocabulary? So you will have to focus on reading strategies in detail, and for this you will get every single thing associated with reading in my reading playlist. So go through that and you will get everything. So week 1 we are just doing reading from Monday to Saturday. Along with that, on a daily basis we are recording one cue card. So every day one cue card we are going to record. It will help us a lot, because by the end you will not have this fear in mind for speaking module. You would have already prepared various cue cards. So that's what I am going to suggest here. Reading 1 week, just focus entirely on reading. ठीक है, Monday to Saturday बस reading करनी है और एक recording करनी है speaking की. Now I would like to mention one thing here. You must have heard it in many of my videos as well. I never say 4 modules in IELTS. I always say 5 modules. आप सब लोगों को 4 ही modules लगते हैं क्योंकि आपको scoring उसी पे मिलती है. But according to me 5 modules हैं, और जो 5th one है वो 5th नहीं है actually. That is the first one. It is the most important one. अगर आपको grammar नहीं आती, you cannot get this course in speaking. You'll not be able to get this course in writing. You'll not be able to get this course in listening as well, because you have to take care of a and the, and you have to take care of number of words. So इसीलिए I'll suggest you to devote half an hour, a dedicated half an hour only on grammar, and that I would suggest you somewhere around 6:30 in the morning. So try getting up early in the morning and do one module that time. So just do grammar that particular time and prepare notes. Go through my grammar playlist for that. Now we are coming to second week. In this week we'll focus on listening again with speaking module. So listening में we should know how to solve multiple choice questions, how to solve maths, how to solve fill in the blanks, or how to solve MCQs. So you should know every single question type. On first 2 days, Monday and Tuesday, focus on question types. Okay, you should attempt minimum 20 MCQs, minimum 20 map questions. So take various listening and try to attempt. Now on the remaining 4 days, okay, so like you have Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. In these 4 days, you are going to take minimum, you will be doing 2 listenings a day. And that's what you need to do. It's really important. So initially we are focusing first week only for reading and speaking. Second week is totally dedicated for listening and speaking. So it doesn't, you are not going to practice only one listening throughout the day. That is a wrong approach. You are going to practice one listening, you are going to assess it. You are going to practice another listening, you are going to assess it. So you are doing 2 readings a day, 2 listenings a day in week 1 and week 2. So in week 1, 2 readings a day. In week 2, 2 listenings a day. I want your scores to be at 7 or 6.5 at least in reading, and 7.5 at least in listening. This way you will gain confidence. Now you will be confident about 2 modules. और वो बहुत जरूरी है. अगर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होगा तो राइटिंग तो कर ही नहीं पाओगे, बिकॉज मुझे पता है आप लोगों को ग्रामर में प्रॉब्लम आने वाली है. ठीक है, सो यू विल गेट कॉन्फिडेंस, यू विल बी कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट द स्कोर्स. And now we are going to proceed further to week 3 and week 4. अब week 3 and week 4 पे we are doing nothing, just writing and speaking. So writing task 1, writing task 2. Okay, in first 3 days, firstly day 1, you are going to understand everything related to writing task 1. Go through all my videos, everything is there on my channel. In the second week, you are going to focus on on the second and third day, you are going to focus on writing task 2. Okay, essay types, what exactly is required there, how to write introduction, how to write conclusion. So definitely various material, actually several things are available online on my YouTube channel. Just go through that for the same as well. So अब आपने क्या करा, राइटिंग के आपने सब कुछ अच्छी तरह से समझ लिया है फर्स्ट 3 days में. And now's the time to focus on the preparation, the practice part. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday and the coming week, whole week, you are going to focus only on writing. One writing task 1, one writing task 2. मिस्टेक्स को एनालाइज करो, टेक द हेल्प ऑफ ग्रामरली ऐप. बेसिक मिस्टेक्स वो आपको बता देते हैं, आपकी स्पेलिंग की, सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन की, वो आपको थोड़ा आइडिया लग जाता है. सो प्लीज फोकस ऑन दैट. यूज द ग्रामरली डेस्कटॉप ऐप. It is going to help you a lot. Okay, you will improve a lot with the help of this. Now we have already done every module and we are better than before. Okay, we know how to proceed further now. So guys, if you are a beginner, you are going to devote 1 more month now, 1 more month. So you need 2 months. Through this preparation plan, you are going to focus, you are going to devote 2 months. And in the next month, you are going to do reading, listening, writing, speaking, all 4 modules every single day. If you are working, you can do reading, listening in the morning and writing and speaking at night. So just do in this manner. So now we are just practicing for this thing. Okay? Whatever mistakes are there, just try to look at your mistakes and analyze. Okay, analyze your mistakes, see your mistakes and do not commit the same mistake again. So it is going to help you a lot. And last week में आपका score जो desired band score है, that should be there in the second last and last week. As soon as you get your desired band score, just book the exam and sit for an exam. You will be more than happy to see your scores. But what I suggested, I am going to give you 2 tips, 2 most important tips. First one is focus on grammar and second one is focus on assessment. Hard work नहीं करना, smart work करना है. Actually this is what I say. Hard work करने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. आप रीडिंग करते जा रहे हो, 6 रीडिंग्स कर ली, 7 कर लिए, कोई फायदा नहीं है. आपको अपनी मिस्टेक्स एनालाइज करना बहुत जरूरी है. सो एवरी सिंगल डे यू शुड डिवोट half an hour or 1 hour at least on analyzing your mistakes, evaluating your mistakes. What exactly happened and why did it happen? Why were my 14 questions wrong. Let's say you did 40 questions and out of 40 आपके 13 questions wrong थे. Why those 13 were wrong? Try to do those 13 again. Then analyze your mistake. This way only you can improve. IELTS is not difficult. It's just about the schedule you are following, or it's just about the strategy you are following. So please focus on the right strategy and I'm sure you will get your desired band score. Start following this from today onwards, and if it helps you, do give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section, ma'am, this is really working. I'll be more than happy to come up with new videos, and that are also going to help you later on. So thank you so much guys for watching this. I hope it was helpful for you. Thank you.